I'm gonna tell you how to get these beef ribs at an amazing price and cook them just like this. All you have to do is buy 20 of them. Trust me, your meat distributor will be happy and give you a good deal. Whatever you don't eat, just vacuum seal. Start with this Dino Rib, also known as the Chuck Short Rib. First layer is gonna be Laurie's seasoning salt. No need for extra salt, plenty of sodium in there. Get all the sides. Second layer, garlic powder. Once again, all the sides, maximum surface area for your rub to penetrate. Finish it off with black pepper, and then we are gonna wrap it in 2 single sheets stuck together of plastic wrap. This will be your first layer, and we're gonna go over it a few times just to make sure that it is entirely sealed. There is no place for the juice to go. It is now 12 hours later, and next morning we have all 20 racks on the table coming out of their dry brine. Look at this result. They will be delicious, I am sure. Get all 20 racks opened up. 1 glove for ribs, 1 glove for hot steel on that smoker. Using our glove, we pull the first rack out. I was able to fit 9 of these Dino Ribs on the top rack, and I was able to fit 10 on the bottom rack, leaving 1 straggler behind that will go on the other side of the smoker. Today we are running our smoker at 225-ish until the internal temperature of these ribs is 160-ish. I'm using water and mustard, 1 teaspoon of mustard, about 1 liter of water. We are going to use this as our spray to protect the bark on the side that catches all the heat, the side of the ribs that face the firebox. You see that pullback? That tells me the ribs will be ready to wrap in the near future. We are going to close our smoker and wait. We are now 4 hours in. The ribs have hit 160. It is wrap time. Lay a piece of butter yay big down and lay your ribs right on top of that butter. Notice the pullback on the bone indicating it is time to wrap. Using 2 layers of tinfoil, very important. You don't want that to rupture and lose your juice, get a tight seal. Now wait until an internal temperature of 200-ish. And when it hits 200, then put it in a cooler or wrapped in towels in the oven until the internal temperature comes down to about 140 and it's time to eat.
Okay, here we go. I was afraid it might be a little too salty because I just went a little nuts with the Laurie's, but the sweetness of the beef comes right through. Bones just slide right out. I mean, I couldn't be happier. Oh, like butter. Check that out. Oh, man. That's a thickie, eh? Oh man. It just slides right off them. That is incredible. Oh. This is amazing. But next time we're doing pork belly burnt ends. I'll see you there. This is the best breakfast ever.